So here's the Insta360 Luna Ultra, which created massive hype among everyone since its first introduction at the NAB show. It's expected to be better than the DJI Pocket 4P in many ways, whether you talk about the 8K higher resolution or the detachable touch display that works as a remote controller. Though the camera is yet to launch, we already have the full unboxing of the Luna Ultra along with real-life sample footage. So let's jump straight into the video, find out the actual specs, and see if it really matches the overall performance of the DJI Pocket 4P. So as you can see from the box, it's a dual-lens 8K gimbal camera designed specifically to compete with the DJI Pocket 4P. Opening up the box, we get a pouch wrapped in plastic and multiple instruction manuals. Inside the pouch, you get the camera, which is attached to an external casing. Now, right from the get-go, you can clearly differentiate the Luna Ultra from the Pocket 4P, judging from the external design. However, it does have a similar convenience to DJI, like sliding the display instantly turns on the camera and you are ready to shoot. Now, here's the most exciting part. You can literally detach the entire display, along with the buttons. Then it acts as a remote controller, giving you full access to the camera even from a distance. The controller contains a joystick to navigate the camera head, a record button, and a slider for zooming in and out. For me, that's a handy functionality for capturing footage if you are traveling solo, though you do get a similar experience with the DJI as well if you have both the Pocket 4 series and Osmo Mobile 8P smartphone gimbal. But how many of you are actually going to buy both just to avail the remote control feature? Oh, you can also find out your battery percentage even when the display is detached from the original camera. So what about the camera performance? As you can see, Insta360 has partnered with Leica to develop the camera and improve the overall image quality. The Luna Ultra features a dual Leica Summicron lens consisting of a 20mm main camera with f1.8 aperture, a 155-degree field of view, and a 120mm telephoto lens. The telephoto lens will allow you to zoom up to 12 times, and as you can see from the video, even at max zoom, the quality hasn't degraded and the camera was able to capture every detail. You can capture 4K videos up to 60 frames per second and 8K up to 30 frames per second. I feel like Insta360 falls behind DJI when you talk about color profiles. The Pocket 4P supports 10-bit D Log 2, which offers more flexibility in post-production, whereas the iLog from Insta360 naturally produces more contrasty and punchy colors, making it more suitable for social media content. So pretty much you can say, DJI has upgraded itself for the professional videographers with the Pocket 4P. On the other hand, the Luna Ultra is more focused on general consumers. The detachable display is the main game changer here. Not only can you get more creative while filming, but it also offers more freedom to shoot from multiple angles without carrying the camera in your hands. But does it actually match the overall performance of DJI? In our opinion, DJI wins when you compare the shallow depth of field and cinematic portraits of any close objects. Apart from that, both the camera offers great dynamic range and details. However, another concern could be the higher price tag. The Luna Ultra will be priced at $780 for the body, and you will have to pay $960 for the creator bundle. That's a bit shocking considering you can get the Pocket 4P at a slightly lower price. The price tags have also been confirmed by the Insta360 CEO, as he mentioned that these prices are valid only for people outside of China. Now, they do have a point, as these Chinese products have to pay a hefty amount of taxes, leaving the companies with no option but to pass the burden of extra taxes onto the consumers who are buying the product. Anyways, will you be buying the Insta360 Luna Ultra over the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P? Share your own thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMake TV if you want to stay updated with all the latest tech news.